everyone. Welcome to today's episode of our Beginner English podcast. I'm Tracy, your teacher for this lesson.
And I'm Donnie. I'm learning English just like you.
Today, we will learn something very important: how to introduce yourself in simple English.
Yes, this is the first thing people want to know when they meet you.
Let's start slowly and clearly. When you meet someone new, the first thing you can say is hello or hi.
Very simple, right? Hello. Hi.
Good. After that, you can say, my name is, for example, my name is Tracy.
And I can say, my name is Donnie.
Great. Now, let's make it a little longer. You can say, hello, my name is Tracy.
Or, hi, my name is Donnie.
Perfect. Listeners, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is...
Nice job, everyone.
After you say your name, you can say where you are from. For example, I am from Canada.
And I can say, I am from England.
Very good. Put it together. Hello, my name is Tracy. I am from Canada.
Hi, my name is Donnie. I am from England.
Now, listeners, practice with us. Repeat after me. I am from...
Great, you are doing well.
After your name and country, you can say what you do. For example, I am a teacher.
And I can say, I am a student.
If you do not want to say your job, you can say, I am learning English.
Yes, that works for everyone here.
Let's put all three parts together. Hello, my name is Tracy. I am from Canada. I am a teacher.
Hi, my name is Donnie. I am from England. I am a student.
Now, listeners, now you try. Repeat the full introduction using your own name.
That sounded great.
In some places, people talk about age. In other places, they don't. It is optional. You can say, I am 20 years old.
Or, I am 30 years old.
But remember, you don't have to say your age if you don't want to.
Let's practice the sentence. I am years old.
Very good. Another detail you can add is a hobby, something you like. For example, I like music.
Or, I like reading.
You can also say, I like playing soccer. Or, I like cooking.
Let's try a full introduction with a hobby.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Short sentences.
I am happy today.
Yes. Here is mine. Hello, my name is Tracy. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like music.
Mine is, hi, my name is Donnie. I am from England. I am a student. I like reading.
Listeners, now it's your turn again. Add one hobby to your introduction.
Nice work, everyone.
Now let's practice a simple conversation. I will play the part of person A. Donnie will be person B. Listen first.
Then you can practice with us.
Here we go. Hello, my name is Tracy. What is your name?
Hello, Tracy. My name is Donnie.
Nice to meet you, Donnie.
Nice to meet you too, Tracy.
Very simple. Now let's do it again, more slowly.
And listeners, this time you can join in.
Hello, my name is Tracy.
Nice to meet you.
Great job.
Now let's do a guided practice. I will guide you step by step through your own introduction.
Just follow the instructions. Step 1. Say hello.
Good.
Step 2. Say your name. Start with my name is.
Step 3. Say where you are from. I am from.
Step 4. Say what you do. I am a, or I am learning English.
Step 5. Add a hobby if you want. I like. That's it. You just made your own introduction.
Before we finish, let's talk about a few common mistakes.
These mistakes are very normal for beginners.
Mistake 1. Saying, I am name Donnie.
The correct form is, my name is Donnie.
Mistake 2. Forgetting the verb am. Some people say, I from England.
You must say, I am from England.
Mistake 3. Mixing I am and my name is. For example, I am Donnie, my name Donnie.
It sounds strange. Use one clear sentence, my name is Donnie, or I am Donnie. Both are okay.
Let's give listeners a few full examples. Example 1. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Japan. I am learning English. I like cooking.
Example 2. Hi, my name is Mark. I am from Brazil. I am a student. I like soccer.
Example 3. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from France. I am a teacher. I like reading.
Listeners, now you can choose one style you like, then make your own version. Let's finish with a short review.
Here are the key points from today.
1. Say hello.
2. Say your name.
3. Say where you are from.
4. Say what you do.
5. Add a hobby if you want.
Keep the sentences short and simple.
And practice a little every day.
Thank you for listening to this episode. We hope today's lesson helps you feel more confident introducing yourself in English.
See you in the next episode.
And don't forget to follow the podcast for more lessons. Goodbye, everyone.